How to draw a straight line on Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to easily draw a straight line on Canva. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open your web browser and then search for canva.com. And once you do so, make sure to log into your account. So right here I've already logged in using my email. So once you are inside Canva, you can go ahead and open your design. So I'm just going to do it on a presentation. And once this is open, before we go any further, I want you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Alright, let's continue. So here on the blank page, if you want to add a line, you want to head over to the left side of your screen and click on Elements. And from here you can directly click on line here or search for line right here, and under shapes you will see the lines right here. You can click on see all, and here are various designs that you can choose from. I am just going to choose a simple straight line. So here it is, and if you want to drag it and then make it longer, you can do it, or if you want to make it shorter, you can do it as well. You can change the angle of the line. And the other thing that you can edit here is if you go ahead and click on the line type, you can choose what type of line you want. So you can bend it if you want, like this, or you can curve it if you want as well. So here are different features that you can play with. And the other thing that you can do is change the thickness of the line. So if you add weight to it, it will become thicker, and you can even change its color. So if you click right here, you will get different color options that you can choose from. And if you go right here again, you can choose different types of line. If you want to make it dotted or dashed, here is this option as well. And if you want to round the points, you can enable this option. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.